Hi, I'm Dr. Lee Long with Restoration, and I'm excited to share how our dialectical behavioral therapy program, known as DBT, at TCU can help you navigate the challenges of college life. Imagine having the skills to not only manage overwhelming moments, but to actually turn them into opportunities for growth. That's exactly what our DBT program offers. We help students transform emotional struggles into strengths, building resilience, confidence, and balance in their daily lives. College can be a lot. Deadlines, relationship challenges, major life decisions. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's why our program provides practical tools to help you navigate these stressors. With DBT, you'll learn to recognize and manage your emotions rather than being controlled by them. You'll develop mindfulness techniques, build distress tolerance, regulate intense emotions, and strengthen your communication skills. But DBT goes beyond academics. Students who participate report feeling more focused, managing coursework more effectively, and seeing improvements in their grades. More importantly, they develop lifelong skills, learning how to stay present, handle tough situations with confidence, and build a healthier, more fulfilling relationships. You don't have to just survive college. With the right tools, you can thrive.